there are a lot of orders left on the table, so the market will come back. It is always in a rhythm. Like, you have to understand how the market is running. Yo, what's going on? What's going on, traders? I hope you all having a great time. It's Rafael back at the charts again. And in this video, I want to talk about yesterday's trade that I've shared with the free public Telegram channel. So if you're not inside of the free Telegram channel right now, check the link in the description. Join my free Telegram channel. I share trading ideas in there, results, giveaways, and everything, mentoring, everything that you need to get on top of the Forex game. So make sure to join the free Telegram chat. If you need some help, if you need personal assistance, I'm there to help you, so you can drop me a message as well. But anyways, yesterday was great, guys. I decided to get back on gold. As I know many of you know me for my gold trading, and I was focusing on Euro US dollar the last months because I wanted to master this market as well. So I stepped back a little bit, focused on Euro US dollar. But yesterday I took my first gold trade, and it worked out pretty well. It was a risk reward ratio of around 1 to 3 point something. So we had a pretty great risk reward ratio, and I want to go over why I took the trade, and just to make sure you understand why I took this decision, and maybe you can implement this in your future trading plans. So let's look at the bigger picture. So overall, we had a big drop, and we had like a bearish structure, but the bearish structure got broken at this point over here. So right now we are in, like, it looks like kind of a pullback move inside of this bearish trend, like a small pullback. But we as day traders, we're just looking for like small price movements of 30-50 pips on gold. Is just a small move, but it can pay pretty good. And yesterday I was able to bank around 3% on that one over here, and I want to go over that one so you understand why I took the trade and how I took it, how I entered the market. And I've recorded that session as well, but I want to go over TradingView real quick. After that, we can go back into the recording where you can see how I took the trade and how I closed positions, because when the market was pulling down like that, I was waiting for a break of structure. We got it over here. We got some more break of structure over here, like two highs got violated already. So I was waiting for a pullback into that last drop zone, in this zone. The last drop is interesting for me as a target, as an entry zone. You could use your Fibonacci as well. Like, if you use your Fibonacci from here to there, you see the 50%, the 62%, like, this is like the golden reversal zone. It pulled back into that zone, and after that we had a nice continuation in that bullish structure. I was looking for a bullish entry because the market overall is trying to achieve higher highs. This is what I see over here. And for now, like on the small time frame, you see, because we had a huge drop, and when you have like a strong drop like that, most of the time the market will come back to fill this gap. It is kind of a gap because if the market moves pretty strong, there are a lot of orders left on the table, so the market will come back. It is always in a rhythm. Like, you have to understand how the market is riding. Like, it is going like a wave, and we as traders, we try to surf the wave. So we are waiting for the wave, and then we try to ride the wave. Okay, so what happened, guys, as you can see over here, we had a huge drop, and what happened after that? The whole drop got filled. You see that? Like, the whole move got filled before we had another move to the downside. And the same thing over here, we had a huge drop, market start to get bullish again, and so we are about to fill this imbalance gap over here. That's why I was thinking about buying the market. You feel me? So when we go to the 1 minute chart, what I did, guys, I bought the market. I was waiting for the break of structure, and then I was waiting for the pullback. So I planned my entries on the 1771 something here in this area. This is where I wanted to enter, so I was waiting until the market gets me into the market, and we had a strong reaction, and then it was consolidating a little bit just before it really break through new highs, higher highs for the day. And yeah, let's get into the recording so you can see what happened. The trade was around 1 hour. Overall, it was around a 1 hour trade, and I was able to bank 200,000 on that one, which is around 3% something, a little bit more than 3%. So as you can see, at the recent high where we had some resistance, I decided to close some of my position, because when I saw the market is reacting on that level, I loaded it up a little bit, but then I got scared and didn't hold it to my target, because I felt like it could turn around against me and fuck a lot of buyers up. I mean, that's why I closed some of my positions early. Otherwise, I would have made maybe twice as much. But yeah, it was consolidating. It was not breaking out. As you can see, like, we had a couple of 1 minute candles who are just consolidating. And so I lost my patience and I closed a little bit. And then after that, the rest of the position was risk free. I already banked a lot. So I was just waiting to get more positions out of the market. So at this point, I closed another position, another 2 positions, and then I was waiting to hold a little bit more. Then I opened 2 more positions, like I was loading it up again, moved my stop to make sure it's around break even. Then the market keeps moving. I'm modifying the stop, waiting for that push to the top. And then I moved my stop again. You see that? Have you seen that? The market made, I'm really right in the 1 minute structure in here, because I didn't want it to be involved as soon as the 1 minute structure is broken. I just wanted to have this first impulsive move, and I tried to load it up on that impulsive move. But when the impulsive move is over, I want to be out. I want to make sure that I bank profits, you see. So I closed another position of another loaded up position, and then I think I took another profit. Yeah, and then I moved the stop and just let one position run. And then I was moving the stop tighter and tighter until the market broke the structure. And I decided to, let's close it around 27,000 just to make sure I'm banking 200 grand yesterday. So yeah, it was a pretty great trade. We had a lot of fun, and I hope many of you have banked on that trade as well. If not, let me tell you again, guys, check out the link in the description. If you're looking for a structured course with all my trading strategies, check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course. You will connect with all the traders from our team in there. We have a group chat where everybody can talk to each other, help each other, share their trading ideas, and help each other grow and working on the same goal to make money in this market. And inside of the masterclass, you learn everything around risk management. You have a lot of entry and exit strategies that we're using. You will learn everything from scratch. Like, even if you have no idea about forex trading, this is the perfect course for you to get you from scratch to a professional level, where you can even trade for prop firms, where they give you their money to trade with, and you get a profit split. This is something that we are going to talk about as well. because not everybody has a lot of money to invest. But if you learn the skill set, there are companies out there who give you the money to trade with, like FTMO and other companies. I've made a couple of videos about them. Check out my other videos if you're interested in trading, guys, if you're interested in Forex. And yeah, if you need some help, I'm there to help. Make sure to drop me a message if you need something. And yeah, let's have a talk and check everything out, guys. I wish you a great day, and we see you in the next video, guys. Peace. What you know, every now and then, by your body, you know.